Copyright 2025 Alyssa Landy. All rights reserved. This video is not to be copied, distributed, or used without express written permission. Welcome to Activity 3, Role-Play Scenario Practice. In this task, you'll respond to a realistic parent concern by recording a short video. This is your opportunity to demonstrate essential communication skills: empathy, clarity, structure, and professionalism. You'll choose one scenario, such as a late homework issue or a social conflict. You'll respond to the parent concern in a 1 to 2 minute video, and you'll also use the rubric to guide you. You'll evaluate your own video using a simple rubric. Focus on how well you express empathy and maintain tone, how clearly you deliver your message, and how professional and well-structured your response is. Here are 2 prompts. Choose the one you feel most comfortable responding to. Think about how you would acknowledge the parent's concern while remaining calm, clear, and supportive. To complete the task, start by selecting a prompt. Then record your video response. Finally, review your video using the rubric and submit it once you're satisfied. You're ready to dive in and practice your communication skills. Remember, support is available if you have any questions. Let's get started.